Assalamu alaikum, a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is Bilal Lajbar, and today we are on the third lecture. The lecture today that we are covering is prepositions. We would understand closely what they are. They are basically parts of speech. Okay. So what are prepositions? Prepositions show location in time or space. Okay. So it shows location. It will tell us about the position of nouns or pronouns, means names, or it will be telling us about them, that where are they in time or space. They also show relationship between nouns. So the same thing, example is the cat was on the bed. Now we have a cat over here, that is a noun, and it was on the bed, that's another noun. Preposition is making a relationship of the cat and its whereabouts and telling us that it was on the bed. Do your homework after the class, not during. Now it is about homework, about doing it, and it is being told that it should be done after the class, not during it. So after and during, both of them are prepositions of time. Get the paper with the lines. Now this is the preposition which relates the paper with the lines. Now this is not a preposition of time or a preposition of place. This is a direct preposition showing special locations. Now prepositions describe locations in space. If you move your notebook around your desk, you would know that if it is under the desk, if it is over the desk, if it is inside, if it is behind, or if it is alongside the desk. Words describing your notebook in relation to the desk are prepositions showing chronological location. Now chrono means time and chronological means following the logic of time. Okay, so it will also show the locations in time. Prepositions describe locations in time. When is reading class in relation to math? So it is being asked that when is this class in relation to the other class, the reading class in relation to the math class. So if it is before the math class, or if it is after, or if it is during the math class, so we can tell about the location of time and the location of really what is happening and when it is happening. Okay, words showing time relations are called prepositions. Showing relationships, prepositions show relationships, like as I told you that they are direct prepositions. So the examples are, she goes with that boy. Now she over here is connected with the boy. This is the sugar for the cake. Now we're talking about the sugar which is for specifically for the cake. Football belongs to Mr. Dillard. Now we're talking about the football which belongs to this guy. Okay, so we use a preposition over here so that we can connect them. Now we have a list of prepositions. I would like you to read them with me. About, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, as, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, into, near, off, on, onto, outside, over, past, since, then, through, to, toward, under, until, up, upon, with, within, and without. Now here is a simple practice. We are going to do this. I would like you guys to try to answer before me. So we are going to write these sentences in front of you and you are going to encircle the prepositions in it. He was bitten by the dog with a red collar. Now the relationship would be between he, the dog, and the collar. So if you look at it, we have one preposition by over here and the other preposition with over here. Okay. Now the second sentence. In the second sentence we have take the fire escape on the side of the building. Now you will have to first find out the nouns. Okay, so fire escape is a noun. On the side of the building, building, on the side of, it is a big preposition over here. The third sentence, he brushed his hair with brush from the dollar store. Yes, again we have brush, we have he, we have his hair, we have brush, and we have the dollar store. Now with the brush from the dollar store. Okay. Now we have this fourth sentence. The robot with the mohawk gave the papers to the students. Now we have the robot, mohawk, papers, students. Okay, with robot with the mohawk to the student. Now we have the fifth sentence over here with us. Before he released the balloons up into the air, he took a picture with them. With over here is a preposition. Before is not a preposition, it is a conjunction which is connecting these two clauses. That was all for today. If you want to practice, you should do it with all of the prepositions that we studied today. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye. See you in the next class.